Hello, welcome to today's tutorial. This is the voice of Odeyemi Abdulakowi Bamdeli, the CEO of eBam Merch and Designs, popularly known as Eligible Bam Merchandise. Okay, so I kind of don't like limiting myself to restrictions or whatsoever people might have think about something. So I kind of reason further and I explore a lot. So out of my exploration, I was able to discover that this application that was invented by who knows, I don't even know. It has been made to what to edit. Let me just launch the application to edit our videos. In terms of removing the voice, adding your own voice over, and adding effects and the likes, and also to edit photos and to make your collage. So you can see that this had already done what that helped me erase or to cancel the need to download multiple applications like downloading picture collage app or Pixmies or whatsoever name. I don't know. I'm not against any brand. So now that has been kept. That's been said. Photo edit also this can edit. And when it comes to video editing, this is one of the top notch application you can have on your device. But then I personally I don't make use of this application in editing designs also. So it's very funny, though I don't know, maybe those who made the app actually know about this, but I personally have been able to use it in editing a lot of my designs. So with that being said, I just want you to know that you don't need to limit yourself to restrictions. You can easily explore. So today I'm going to be showing you how to do it, how to package your picture. Your brand picture, like let me say your okay. So this is a picture I want to brand. So now you can see there is save here, but I'm not saving yet because I'm not done. So this is canvas to just what to you can see. So if you want to do it like this and you add what here or here, it's also there, but I don't actually need the canvas. I'm just showing you. So this canvas actually have to do with frame, with this is Instagram, this is also Instagram, this is YouTube, this is our TikTok. So a lot of this is Facebook, a lot of things like that, a lot of things like that. So this is how that exists. So once you're done, you can just click on this mark here. So to filter your image also, you can do this, you can do anything and undo. So I'm not using that. You can adjust your image too, its saturation, the contrast, the TNT and the likes. So I'm not making, you can see I'm not making use of this either. So let me just click on none and go back again. So now we have the background. If you want to change the background, you can see. So you can do and undo to your photos over here. You can just give them new and astonishing looks, but I'm not using that also. So you have the sticker also. You can add different stickers. You can do a lot, but I'm not making use of that because I want to remain focused. But I'm just showing you the different kind of things you can do on the application, and I would really recommend you explore, you try all these features out on your own. So you can add text. I'm coming back to this text because this is what I want to show you exactly. You can also crop your image. You can crop your image. So probably you want to crop out someone else's branding or the likes like that. Just crop it out. Understand what I'm trying to say? So now let's say you want to frame. This is frame. You can add different frames. They're lovely frames, and they can be you can readjust them. You can just like I love this app very well because I make use of it in fact I use it so much. So also you can rotate anyhow. You can rotate. So I'm not making use of that too. I'm not making use of that. Let me just discard and reselect. So let me just reselect. So I'm going to reselect now. I've reselected. So I said I want to show you about test. So this is test. Now I already copied the name of this brush to my clipboard. You can see it here. So you can type it. So I'm going to just do what I want to cut out this. So this is it, silicone brush. Can just place it here, and this name or whatever can be edited using this first symbol means keyboard. This is for what? For editing, probably the color, the way you want it to look like. You can see, so a lot of things can be done using this application. So which one should I use? Let me just use something. Okay, let me just use this. So let me just use this. So you can change the border too. You can change the border color. You can see, you can change it. You can, from this also, you can change the shadow. You can change label. This is label. You can change the label, opacity, how deep you want it to look like. You see, so you can do and undo on this application. So let me just leave it at this. So this A, I'm coming. So this A, now I want to edit this picture, this write up. You can see the X. This X here is for cancel. The X here is for cancel. This pencil is for doing what? Is for editing the write up. So this is for adjusting. You can see, you can adjust. So let's say I want to edit. This A is for what? Is for the outlook, like how you want your write up to look. The font. So this is for the font. So you use the fonts that you like and you prefer. So you have these to increase the text size, the what is it called, the space or alignment and the likes like that. So let me just mark it that I'm done. So now I need to add the price. So the price is 2323. Okay, so 23 added. So I can just place the price here. Can place the price somewhere here. I can place it here. Does it make sense? I can place it here. Does it make sense? And I can easily place it here. But it has to be somewhere that is very, very glaring that people can easily see. So I can just place it here and take my leave. Just take my leave. So let me just place it here. And you can still do what? You can still add your phone number 081. Well, let me just use +234 8135. So done. So this is it. This means you've branded your picture, and you click on save to have it saved on your device. So you can just click on this. It's going to save directly to your gallery. You can share to other. You can share on WhatsApp, Instagram, email, Signal, and the like. So just click on home and go back. So that is that about it.